Kids these days, they know a lot, don't they? They were little sponges, always thirsty for more. Well, now it's your turn to be the smarty pants and baffle them with these fantastic facts for the kids. Fact number 1. As you all know about the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. But do you know the Burj Khalifa is so tall that you can see two sunsets from it in one day. You can see the sunset happen at the ground level, and then if you get the elevator all the way up the building, you can see it again from the top. Fact number 2. Do you know high heels were originally men's shoes? Yes, high heels came into circulation on the shoe circuit in roughly 10 BC. They were worn by the men of Persian cavalry to help their boots stay in the stirrups when riding horses. Fact number 3. Do you know Sahara is not the world's largest desert? Yes, it is Antarctica. Antarctica is the world's largest desert. The Antarctica Polar Desert covers the Antarctica continent and covers roughly 5.5 million square miles. The Sahara Desert covers roughly 3.6 million square miles. Fact number 4. Do you know your nose and ears never stop growing? Yes, there are only two parts of your body that keeps growing when all your other features growth comes to an end. Fact number 5. Do you know the Eiffel Tower grows in the summer? Yes. Due to heat expansion of the tower's iron in the summer sun, the Eiffel Tower height can grow up to 6 inches. Fact number 6. The smallest dinosaur ever discovered is only 16 inches long. Discovered in China, the Microraptor is one of the most recent dinosaur discoveries and is the smallest ever found. Most of the specimens that have been found have also been fully grown, so the baby Microraptors would have been even smaller. Fact number 7. Do you know the letter E is the most common letter in the English language? It appears in roughly 11% of all words used in the English language and is used 12 times in this very sentence alone. Fact number 8. Do you know koalas have unique fingerprints? So do chimpanzees and gorillas. However, koala fingerprints are so similar to human fingerprints that even the most seasoned forensic scientist would have a hard time telling a koala fingerprint from a human one. Fact number 9. There are sharks which can live up to 500 years. Greenland sharks have the longest known lifespan for all vertebrates animal. Isn't it amazing? Fact number 10. Do you know before trees existed, earth was covered with giant white mushrooms? These huge fungi were 24 feet tall and 3 feet wide and is covered most of the earth's surfaces before tree existed.